Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in today's video you're probably watching this video because you're looking for ways to make money part-time online with freelancing. Okay, now you may be looking for data entry, I don't know, but I know that there's a lot more ways that you can make money with freelancing, not just data entry, but there is other methods as well. In today's video I'm going to share with you a powerful marketing tool that I use, a video marketing tool actually, and you can literally use this video marketing tool for freelancing on a very part-time basis, making more than a full-time income. So you could only be doing this part-time, but yet you could still be making a lot of money from it. Okay, so I'm going to show you two sites that you can use. Well, it's two sites that we are going to be that I'm going to be discussing in this video. Okay, so the first site is free to sign up, okay? And this is Fiverr. You may know Fiverr, maybe you don't know Fiverr. But basically, you're going to want to sign up to an account. So if you don't have a Fiverr account, click the link in the description box below this video, and then you'll get your access to your Fiverr account, okay? So that's the first thing. Then what I've done, okay, so let me go to the beginning and show you exactly what I've done here. So you can literally price your prices whatever you want. Okay, just because someone is charging £3 for a service, that doesn't mean that you can't charge much more. Okay, we're going to type in the search, we're going to type in video ranking. Okay, so we're going to search that, and we're going to see that, because basically what we're doing is we're using a video tool, a video marketing tool. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to get access to this tool. It's a $47 one-time investment for the basic version. Now if you want to take this, like literally, if you want to take this to the next level, you pay for the pro version. And you can just make as much money with the basic version too. Believe me, I have the basic version. I'm going to upgrade soon, but I have just the basic version, and my videos are literally it has exploded my video marketing, and it still works very, very well, just the basic version. Okay, well, with the pro you're just going to be able to really take things to the next level, because they have tools that the basic just doesn't have. Okay, so you go to video ranking, okay, here on Fiverr, and you scroll down, and as you can see, people are charging. Look, I will top 10 ranking bar chart videos for YouTube in any language. No, we're not really going to do what we want to do is basically you create a gig saying I will rank your video on the first page of YouTube or Google. But then you're not going to charge like £7 for it or £11. Now I'm going to show you one guy that's offering his charging at £80, £80 per gig. Now I'm going to show you. It's in this video. Is in this one right here. So as you can see, I will optimize YouTube channel video SEO to improve ranking. So he's going to do SEO 20 YouTube videos and one channel for £80. So guys, that is actually a lot. Like that's basically 20 videos. It doesn't take too long to do optimization on 20 videos. It will probably take you about 10 minutes to do with this software, literally. And like you obviously you're gonna be able to choose what service you're offering, but you can say to them, I'm going to find you profitable keywords to rank for, like keywords that generate you some kind of traffic coming in, and I'm going to optimize it on the first page. And basically, look, in a nutshell, look, this is what he's got: guaranteed optimizations in. He's got all of the descriptions of what he's offering, and yeah, basically, you're offering a similar service. Okay, so you can create a gig similar to this, and you could do it for $80. Look, £80. That's in dollars, that's probably about $90 or something, but that's nearly $100 per gig. So do you see the potential in this? And it's not like he doesn't have any what do you call it, sales. He does. I can see here he has 17 reviews. So people have bought from him, they've purchased from him. And he's got 5-star ratings here, 5-star ratings there. So people are happy with the service. So, I mean, he's probably got a tool to similar to, he's got some kind of SEO video marketing tool that he's using to make money on Fiverr with. It's simple. It doesn't take long to really like even do this work. It doesn't take long to optimize 20 videos. So what he's given is page channel evaluation. Okay, so you can do that actually on the on Vidly on the tool. 10 keywords hashtags research, yep, that's what we can do. We can do that in seconds. 20 videos optimize, yeah, you can easily optimize it quickly. Title and description, yeah, well, that's what we do. It basically, Vidly generates you the code and the description and the tags. Everything is literally just copy and paste. If you go back to my previous videos, there are a few other videos where I explain exactly how to use this software. And then there's meta tag optimization. This is all basic stuff that the software already does. So literally, you get the software. You can even get the basic version. Okay, with the basic version, I don't think you can do evaluation, or maybe you can. I don't know. I don't think. I think only on the pro version you can really go in depth on each and every channel. Like it's in-depth evaluation, but with the basic version you can't do that. You have to get the pro to do that. Okay, but I mean, you can literally offer a service just like this and make a killing. Like this guy's already made over, that's all. I mean, all of those people, just those people, is about £400. Okay, so yeah, I mean, that is pretty much a part-time, like literally. And then what you could do is you could even promote your service on your YouTube channel, okay? Because you know how to rank YouTube videos, you can then promote your service on your YouTube channel and get more customers and say how you know how to rank videos, blah blah blah, and just optimize it in that way where you could get you market your service on a YouTube channel, and that way you get more people interested in your service. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, and I hope you got some valuable information out of this video. Yeah, that's basically in a nutshell how you can make money with freelancing, very much part-time. And maybe you typed in data entry, I don't know, but this is another alternative way that you can make money with freelancing. Okay, obviously this isn't data entry, but I think that it's still, um, I don't know if you like data entry or whatever, but I think that this is a pretty easy job. It's not too complicated, and you're still making a lot of money because a lot of businesses need this service. Okay, they need to be ranked, they need to be noticed, and they need more traffic. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in more videos. Take care.